This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a tree-lined stretch of Sheridan Road in Lakeview, just west of Lakeshore Drive, for a walk through one of the apartments at Sheridan Shores. I've just stepped into apartment 2H, and I'm looking at a wide wall of closets. Turning around for a look, two additional closets, one with hanging and one with shelving, heading into the bath, which is attractively finished. Gray speckled tile on the floor and in the tub surround. There's a wide mirror above the vanity and toilet. Hardwood oak flooring throughout the living areas of the apartment. An efficient U-shaped kitchen with a dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, grid cabinet and counter space, cherry-stained cabinetry. Looking at the living sleeping area, there's a breakfast bar lip in the kitchen. Through the wall air conditioning. Overall, you're looking at a fairly spacious studio that has unusually good storage space. Literally steps from Lincoln Park. Attractive location, excellent access to public transit. Definitely put this on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.